Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidyalakshmi. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare this mango paddu. It turned out so good. It's a wonderful evening snack or you can serve it for breakfast itself. So here I've got some leftover dosa and idli batter. I'm going to prepare this paddu with this batter. I've posted a detailed recipe how to prepare the batter. Now here I've chopped the mangoes, I've added it to a blender and I blended it with some sugar. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now I'm going to be adding the mango puree to the batter. I will also be adding some cardamom powder and mixing this properly. Now you have to check for the sugar content and then mix the batter as per your taste preference, and you have to prepare the batter. Now once the batter is ready, I've heated a paddu pan. I've added ghee and oil to the paddu pan and I'm going to start frying the paddus in this pan. It's a very simple recipe. If you want a detailed recipe how to prepare idli and dosa batter, please look into that video. I'll share that video link in the description box below this video, or I'll post it in the iCard above this video. It is a very simple batter that you can prepare and you can store it up to 2 weeks in the refrigerator and use it as per your requirement. We prepare this batter and we store it in the fridge for 2 weeks, and we prepare different paddus, idli, dosas, uttapams using the same batter. So now here you can see once the paddu has fried to one side, I flipped it and fried it to the other side. You need to add some extra ghee and oil as per your preference. Since I am dieting a little bit, I am adding less oil and ghee, but this itself was too much. So here you can see once the paddu is nicely cooked, I'm going to be removing it from the pan and I'll serve it hot. So it is very nice and tasty. I'm going to prepare the second batch in the same manner. It is very easy to flip and fry it to the other side as well, as you can see. The paddu was nice and soft in the middle. It is not like your regular paddu, like how it turns out spongy. It is not like that, but it was nice and soft. It was very nice, like this, almost like the fudge cake. So it was like that. I really enjoyed it and the mango flavor was very good. I used Mallika and Alphonso mango, a combination of two mangoes I used in this recipe. You can use whatever mango which has got a good flavor in it. So all the ingredients that I used in this recipe, a detailed recipe blog will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. Do try this recipe friends and post your comments. If you enjoyed this video recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.